I hope I'm live. I'm just checking out, guys. If I'm live, you can just type in that you can see and hear me. And I'm going to I'm live on YouTube. I'm just checking on Facebook if I'm live. Okay, I hope I am live, and let me actually get started right away. Uh, 1 second. I'm just checking out on YouTube. If I'm live, I will get started, guys. Just a minute. If you can see and hear me, just type in that you can see and hear me, so we will get started right away. Okay, I see that I am live right now. Okay, great. Let me actually just type into all that I am actually live, so I'll just get started. 1 second. I'm just getting started in a few minutes. I'm just sending the message and then I'll get started. I hope more of you will come and we will get started. Guys, why don't you share it to all your friends so that they also actually can just go ahead and come. So let's actually let me share it to all of them. 1 second. Within a minute, I'm actually just getting started. I'll just last one more message. Yes, I've sent the message so we can actually get started. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic, guys. Okay, let's get straight away jump into what we have. I'll straight away get started with all the rules, which I always start whenever I get started. Because see, it's very important to for all of you to follow these rules. All the trading ideas are based on technical breakouts. I have done my analysis, and based on that, I am actually giving you these tips. But I would always advise you to do your own analysis before you doing any trade, because it is your money, it is your risk which you are actually taking. See, all the trading ideas will always come with the stop loss and the target. So you need to follow that. Many times what happens, the target gets achieved and then actually it can come back and hit the stop loss also. So it's very important, whenever you hit the stop loss or whenever you hit the target, you need to actually get out of it. It's very important. Either get out of it or put a tighter stop loss so that you protect the profit which has been made. It's very important for you to do that. So thank you very much. Hello Fab Trade, hello Reddy, hello Kalyan, hello Bhushan. Thank you for coming. I'm grateful that all of you are following. I want you to please share this to all your friends. Let them also get benefited with this. So I would always advise you to trade with the amount of money which you can personally be able to afford to lose. So you should understand that stop loss can get hit. It's not possible that all the trades can become profitable. Don't gamble and don't put all the money in one stock. I always advise you with at least 3 to 4 stocks, because I want you to trade in 3 to 4 stocks. If one of them fails or two of them fail also, at least the other will actually make up for the entire loss. So it's very important. See, please understand, I'm not charging you anything for all the tips which I'm actually giving you, all the hard work which I'm doing. I'm not charging anything for that. What I expect is very simple thing. If you are actually liking it, if you are actually helping, if this is actually helping you, please share it with all your friends. Let this become viral, let it become a movement. I am actually I have a vision of actually sharing my knowledge to at least 1 crore people. I want to actually inform, I want to actually make them a sensible traders. So because a lot of us actually go and get into a habit of this, and actually it becomes a habit and we lose a lot of money. I don't want that to happen. So let's actually have a sensible way of doing the trade. And if you are making money, let us actually contribute to the society. Let us do a lot of actually things. I want you to help you get actually more money. I want you to make more money. That is the only reason I'm doing it. If you're actually making any profits, just actually take a screenshot of the trade and share it with me, and share with a testimonial. That will be a really grateful help. That's the only thing which I am actually asking from you. So what I'm doing is I'm not going to go with all the trades which we have given. We are actually taking only from the last week, whatever trades are there. We will actually only discuss about that. Any other trades which you have still got stuck, if you actually want to get any of my inputs, you can just let me know. You have seen a lot of blockbusters which have happened in the previous days. 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% returns have come, but it's not possible that every time it happens. So let's understand, Ambuja Cement first and second target have got achieved. So probably we may actually head towards the target also. Then if there is any revision, I'll let you know. Wipro, the first and second target have got achieved. JKT as the first target has got achieved, and then it has become a little lackluster. So you have to be a little careful because it has started coming down. Probably it will go down before coming up. So you need to be a little careful. Bank of Maharashtra, the first target got achieved today. Reliance, the first target has got achieved today, and hopefully we will move towards the second and third target. Dr. Reddy's Labs, actually, the first target has got achieved. It is actually still as long as it is going to hold 4500, probably we may move higher. Otherwise, probably we may start going down. So be a little careful on that. Cipla, what is happening is, until unless Cipla is going to hold 750, the call is still active. Otherwise, actually, this can probably get into, we may actually come to 730, 715 kind of range. So be a little careful on Cipla in that context. SBI Life Insurance, after we achieving the first target, it started coming back, and probably instead of selling, it may actually get into a buy. That's why I said avoid shorts in all this, because shorts are not actually really helping us. Okay, then ONGC call is still active. We are very close by to the 83 is the first target. We have actually almost 82 we have actually reached. So we are quite close by. Canfin Homes sell call is there and it is still active. And I think today we should start seeing some selling which is going to come. Amaraja battery, the first and second target got achieved. Then actually it has got into a sell mode. So be a little careful, let it go down, and then it may actually again come back. Overall, actually all these stocks which I'm actually telling you, these are all very powerful stocks, good stocks. Bounce backs could come, but you need to understand the first target got achieved, second target got achieved. After that, actually it has come down. So that is something which you have to be careful of. Century ply boards, actually the first target has got achieved. I think the second target also, I think today almost nearby to that we should get achieved. Josh Entertainment, I am still working on the intraday. I will be probably coming out sometime in the near future. As of now, all these trades, whatever we have been talking, is purely positional trades. It is not going to do with anything to do with intraday. Intraday, I'll be coming out very soon. As of now, I am not actually sharing anything to do with intraday. If there is anything to do with intraday, I'll let you know. Let's actually go ahead. If any of these stocks which I have actually shared with you today, whatever stocks I would share with you, please look at it. If it is actually at the buying level, and if the stop losses are actually quite tight, probably you can look at that for the intraday. Otherwise, actually I would not recommend anything for intraday. Okay, the ONGC call is still active. We were very close to the first target. Coal India, we are very close to the first target. Infratel, the first target has got achieved. UPL, PR Reddy, I am not going to take any calls on your specific trades, because right now we are in the live market. I have my own whatever analysis I have done, I will only talk about that, because I will not have time for actually doing the other analysis at this point of time. Okay, UPL. UPL, what has happened is it has hit the stop loss, so probably it may actually get into the sell mode before getting into a buy mode. Okay, the stocks which are actually I'm recommending you for today, people who want to do for intraday, you need to understand, if you really want to do, if the stop losses are nearby, and if actually it makes sense, you can look at it for intraday. Otherwise, I don't recommend for the intraday. Okay, so Bharti Airtel, what is happening is, once it actually crosses 535 and closes above it, it will gain the momentum. So it is actually in a range. Infratel started giving momentum. Bharti will also start giving momentum. So the stop loss will be the day's low, whatever is there, and from there you can look at the buying. Probably very soon we should hit the first target, should happen today itself. uh, so we are looking overall, if I have to talk about Nifty index as such, we are looking Nifty to move towards 11,500 to 550. And that is where actually there's a bigger resistance, and from there selling could come, because 500 550 is a very strong resistance, please understand. And below that actually is still a buy at this point of time. So Bharti Airtel is my first recommendation. Second recommendation will be towards the Eros Media. Eros Media actually had come into a lot of selling pressure. After the selling pressure, now today, what actually, it has already more than 4 to 5% up. But still, see, this is actually a small stock, and for that, even 1 rupee is actually more than 4 5%. So if you look at it today, whatever is the day low, it is around, I think 24.4 is the day low. As long as that is going to hold, we should actually start seeing it moving higher towards 27, 29 in the coming days. So this will be a buy recommendation from my side. The third stock which I'm actually looking for buying recommendation is BEL, and BEL stock also is doing quite well. And now, as long as in the current market prices somewhere around 112, 113, you can look at buying. Intraday, if you want to take, day's low could be the stop loss, or else 110 actually is a tighter stop loss if I have to look at that, and it can move towards 115, 118 in the coming days. Okay, the last stock which I'm actually recommending to you is the Bandhan Bank. And Bandhan Bank, I'm recommending to you around 290 291 range, and 288 on the closing basis will be your stop loss. So for all intraday calls, if any of you want to do the day's low of all these stocks, you can look at actually as the what do you say, the stop loss. And try to look at the selling, actually the targets, actually we can move towards 300 level. So 293, 295, 298 is what we are looking at. If there's any change, I will actually if any targets have to be revised, I will actually let you know. At this point of time, these are the four recommendations which I am actually giving you: the Bandhan Bank, uh, BL, Eros Media, and Bharti Airtel. These are the four recommendations. All are buy, because we are expecting the market to move higher. But for Bank Nifty, what we are looking is 22,000 will be a stronger support at this point of time, and 22,500 and 800. Those are actually going to act as quite a stronger resistance. 2300 is a very strong resistance. So we may move towards the 23,000, but you we can actually what do you say, we can move towards 23,000, but there the selling pressure could come. So guys, if any of you are new for the stock market and you actually need to get more clarity, I have actually a free stock market program which I have actually created, which will be a 5-day program. I already shared with you in the Telegram group what exactly is this program all about. And it will be every day, half an hour will be the program, and after that there will be a question answer session. You can actually directly ask me questions and I'll share with you. Now what I'm doing is, I told you my whole vision is that I want to reach out to at least 1 crore people by 2030. So for that, I actually am doing this completely free of cost. Whoever wants to learn, if you have your friends who wants to actually learn stock market, please go ask them to go and join this free stock market training telegram group, and I'll be sharing with them. And any of you want to actually make money out of this, I actually am going to help you out to make money with selling my courses. I have my courses starting from even 100 rupees onwards. So there will be a lot of things which you will be able to sell, and you can take benefit out of this. So Sanidhya Eros Media as of now has actually come into something called as a short covering mode. So that is where the selling from selling it has started getting into a buying mode. So if you see already 5% up, it was there in the morning. I think it was almost near the same place. As long as it is going to hold today's low. See, today's low and the open is almost same. It is actually 24.4. As long as it's going to hold, this should be a buy, because yesterday it has taken support, and today the buying is still started. So I would actually expect it to move higher from here. Okay, guys, any of you have any questions to ask, you can do that. Or else I just want a help from you to share this to all your friends. Let more and more people benefit from that. That is the only thing which I'm expecting from you. Share it with all your friends, all of them. Let them know about this. Any questions? If you have, you please let me know. I'll try to answer it. If there's no question, I will rather like to actually, we can actually rather move out from here. Okay, guys, I think if there's no other question, I will actually wind off the session. Thank you very much for being here, and please share this with all your friends. Thank you very much. That's all I could actually explain. Thank you. Have a great day and a profitable day for you.